Hi there, my name's Ryan and I'm making this video for the Treasure Hacks hackathon. Personally, I'm a really big fan of basketball, and a big part of playing basketball is dribbling. And good dribbling can really only be achieved through good practice, and so for this hackathon I made a program that basically helps you practice. It helps you keep your head level so that when you tilt your head too low or too high, it'll remind you so that you can have good practice to improve your dribbling more. So in this video, I'll probably just go over how it works, how I made it, and some basic stuff like that. It should be cool. So yeah, let's just start up this computer. And so first what I did was I used MediaPipe to basically make facial landmarks. And so if you can see my computer screen, it's loading right now. But there it is. You see how there's a lot of white dots all over my face, and these are the facial landmarks made by MediaPipe, which is a library made by Google. So after I made this facial landmarking, what I did was I picked specifically 6 and used them in this formula developed by OpenCV. And basically what it does is that it allows you to determine what direction a head is facing. So as you can see, I have these 6 red dots, and these are put into this perspective and point, or PNP formula, and it produces this blue vector that basically shows what direction your head's facing, as you can see on the screen as well. Now after that, I put that all together, and I came up with my own little formula to basically determine the vertical angle at which the head's facing, where basically a completely level head would be 0 degrees, tilted slightly up would be like 40 degrees, and tilted down would be like negative 40 degrees. So you can see right here on the computer screen. If I move my head up, the angle increases, and when I move it down, the angle decreases. The angle isn't exactly accurate, but I came up with it myself and it works reasonably well. Now after putting all of that together, what I did was I created audio and visual cues that would basically tell you to keep your head level. Whoops. And all of this culminated in my product, which I call Levelhead, which basically is a play on words for basically a level head, and also how this program can help you develop skills to keep yourself level-headed during intense matches. So as you can see, it'll play that audio message. And so, for example, let's pretend that I'm practicing my dribbling, which I'm obviously not because I'm indoors. And when my head's level right now, it won't tell me anything, but if I tilt it too low, you can see that there's a green text there. And every 10 seconds, the program will check, and if it sees that your head's too low or too high, it'll play an audio message just like that. Now, the same can happen if, for example, I tilt my head too high. It'll take a while, but it'll happen.
Keep your head level while
practicing. As you can see, there's the audio message. So basically what it does is it encourages you to practice dribbling while your head's completely level to the camera, and that will improve your dribbling skills as well.
Keep your head level while practicing.
Yep, keep your head level. And so basically that's all I had made for this hackathon, and hope you found that interesting and cool. See ya.